Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about the toast notifications in React. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share, comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically I'm going to use the npm package that is Sonar. Okay, so I have checked this one, the npm package, and it has pretty much downloads over there. Here you can see that. So I think it's I should tell you how we can use that one. It's very easy and the very simple. You have to install this package like this. Go to the terminal in your project, just install this, and I'm going to switch the project in vmuse node 20. Let's add this package. So there is issue in some of the package. Let's add into our any other package project. Let me check this one, source. Okay, let's close this project and let's open another project. Okay, install this. Okay, this is done. Let's open the code base. Let me close this. Okay, here we have the project. Let's go to the app.js file, and here we have the code for that one. For the toast notification, you can see that very beautiful toast notification is there. So just add it, save it, and run. Npm run, npm start. Okay, so here we have this. Might be, but got undefinedly import exports. App has no app is defined, doesn't contain this. Let me check what exactly it is. Okay, function app, this is not added. Okay, so just add it. Export default app. Now here you can see that. So if I go to the show custom, so this is a notification, toast success message. Here we go, success message, toast show error message. So here we go with the success, then error. So this is the error toast message, and warning. So here we have the warning toast. Okay, so these kind of toast messages, you can see that we can add like this. Okay, if I go and check their documentation also. Okay, so add a toast. Here you can see the transition, add toast. So this is the way that we can use in our project if you want to show the toast notifications. How it is, let's have a look. Okay, so here we go with just toaster toast sooner, and here we have the functions for the toast notifications. Toast show to custom toast, we have a duration, we have a position, we have a style, we have an icon, on click. So you can mention toast clicked, on close you can make that toast is closed. Okay, so we have a show success, show error, show info. Okay, and show warnings, and on the behalf of it, when I click on the button, so here you can see that show toast, this will call, and nothing else, just make over here that toaster and export the default app. That's it. With the help of this, you are able to add the toast notifications into your React project. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.